The Supreme Court heard an important case today about a Tennessee ban on gender-affirming care for transgender minors. The law is similar to laws that have been adopted by about half the states, all of them led by Republicans. And after about 2 hours of arguments in the courtroom, it sounded like at least 5 conservative justices were ready to uphold the Tennessee law against the challenge from the Biden administration, as well as families of some transgender youth in Tennessee. The court's 3 liberal members seemed firmly on the side of the challengers, but several of the conservative justices expressed varying degrees of skepticism about those arguments. Chief Justice John Roberts was among those who questioned whether judges should be making this decision instead of elected lawmakers. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, on the other hand, pushed back on that, saying that it wasn't the case where the democratic process should be allowed to play out. She noted that transgender people make up a very small percentage of people in the United States. The Biden administration's top Supreme Court lawyer, Elizabeth Prelogar, warned that a ruling for Tennessee could perhaps be used to justify nationwide restrictions on medical treatments for transgender minors. This case comes to the court against the backdrop of an election campaign in which President-elect Donald Trump campaigned on rolling back protections for transgender minors. There are also potential effects from a decision on laws involving limits on transgender participants in girls' sports in public schools and colleges. The court probably will take several months to decide this case, as is typical for the most contentious issues before the court.